Okay, recording is ongoing, and now start the stream. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. I apologize for being late. Had technical difficulties, of course. We're back to building the factory to build motors. Last stream, I had gotten the rotors being built quickly, but now that I've finally got that done, I am going to start building stators. And this will probably take some time. Okay. And there's, of course, there's there you go, hog. I decided to go hog wild there. And here we are. Okay. Let us start building Mark II. The Mark II miners. And hope I've got everything necessary to do that with. There, these are normals, so I should be pumping out 120 per minute, which is good. I need 300. Okay. Now, am I going to be able to... Nope. Okay. Blarb. Yeah, my jetpack isn't quite up to snuff yet. Okay. First thing we do is we've got to get all of that iron up here and being turned into... Oh, yes. Zoop mode. So we need to zoop that stuff up. Oh yeah, and that is the... Yep, that's the copper. Let's go ahead and take care of the copper first. Oh, yep. There we go. Okay, let's build one last miner. This should be a minor issue. And because what we're going to do is I'm going to just feed that into the copper. Okay, let's get power up to up here. Let's say set. There we go. Okay, this is outputting at 120. Let's start manufacturing let's start putting in smelters. I'm gonna put in, how many smelters do I need again? 30 per minute, 120. I don't need all 120, so I'm just gonna make 90. I'll just go ahead and do it. Okay. Okay, we need splitters. need Mark II conveyors. And there's that. Control C, V, V, V. Okay. That there. I realized I should put. There we go. And did I? Yeah, I messed this one up. Okay. There we go. No power. Why am I getting no power? Because I didn't actually hook the damn up. Oh. Really? Okay. Still no power, because I must have got something. I'm good at doing that. How did I? There. There we go. Everything's processing. Now, mergers and acquisitions. Okay. You're outputting 30, inputting 30, so 2 belts. Okay. Now we want to start making wire. Okay, which means I need plenty of these. And of course, since I forgot all the numbers, I need 15 per minute and outputs 30 per minute. And that's just a little too close. So let's build it just a little bit further out. Okay, I think 3 should be enough of that. I need splitters again. We can fix those. Okay. Well, rebuild all this. A little bit more room. But this is what I get for best laid plans of mice and men. Okay. There. Okay. Now we put the splitters in and see what's going on. Okay, not mergers, splitters. Actually, do there. There. Okay, start prepping that to build wire. Okay, controls. And pasted. Okay, there we go. That's all ready. That's all ready to be produced. Now mergers again. Okay. Because a lot of wire being made here. There we go. Wire production is a go. Now the steel pipe production. Trying to decide if I want it up that high. Well, first need to take all of that and throw it into, I think it was 10. 10, let's see, I had 10 smelters doing all that. And I should have enough wire being made. If I don't, I will fix that. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to build the smelters down a little bit. Okay. Foundations. Oh, I'm missing concrete, but that's not a big deal. I've got a concrete plant just over here. Yep, there's my concrete plant. And I'll just take 2 stacks. I really need to delete those old power lines. Okay. Foundation. Yeah, there we go. Zoop. Yeah, if we build this stuff down a little lower, then I can just have that all produced. Okay, I need conveyor lifts, Mark IIs. No, we won't build just like that. Let's go back up there. Oh, that was a little close for comfort. Okay. I need to. Let's start building smelters. We need about 10 of them. Start right here. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that is 10. Okay. Have pretty much all of them just kind of, we'll have, let's see, I forgot the exact numbers, 30, 30, so ooh, this will be a little fun. Okay. So, yep. Actually, we only need 8. And I'm going to feed in 4 per thing. So, let's start this by building splitters. Oh, not mergers, splitters. Also, to be honest, I need... No. That there so I don't fall. Splitter. We'll put the... Two, 3, 4. Okay. 3, 1. 2, 3, and 4. And then just to change things up. 1, 2. Let's go ahead and just make the 12 so that we have all the numbers. Oh. Looks better if I build them in the right spot, doesn't it? Okay. Works better if I build it the right direction. 1, 2, and pop that one out that way. Okay. Need mark. It's better if I build them in the right direction, doesn't it? Yep, okay, they're all doing iron now. 3. One, two, three. Oh. Okay. And the production of this goes down like that. Okay, yep, that's the end of that one. Oh, crap. I ran out of iron plates, so I just need to run back to my little base over here, where I have most of my stuff produced. And coming up here. Yep. We're going to be lazy. And grab from here too. There we go, that should be enough. Okay. And grab and go. Okay, that's the end of that fun part. Now let's finish building all of the okay, all the conveyor belts to them are done. Now the fun part. Okay, now I need to build a lift. Mark II. And there. And now we have that one feeding. And then the second conveyor lift. Okay. Yep. We'll pop that up just a little bit. Oh, crap. Okay. 3. There we go. That's 2 done. And now number 3. Another conveyor lift. Mark II. We'll build like that. And then a conveyor belt. Mark II, because I need 120. Oh, I don't. I'll just tolerate that. Okay, there we go. Now I just gotta hook power up to everything. There. Okay. Come on, make it up. Thank you. Okay, I gotta get all these guys powered up. This will be the fun part. One, two, boom. 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 And finally, boom. Now a lot of cabling. Come on. And then there's all that. And yes, that is pumping out a lot of smoke. Okay. Now a whole bunch of conveyor mergers. Because I'm going to do this. I'm going to make all of these go into one belt. Because I can. These will be Mark III belts for this stuff. Actually, no, I'm going to have to use Mark IV belts for this. And done. And there's the belts. These are very fast belts. Honestly, I don't need these Mark IV belts. I can get away with Mark IIs on the outputs, so I'm going to just do that. There's all the belts. Yes, and in this game, unlike my last stream, I'm not having to dig holes. Thank God. Okay. Okay, now 8, 0. Yeah. There we go. Okay. How many? I needed 3. Oh yeah, I first need to make iron pipes. I first need to turn this into pipes. That's another constructor. Oh, a little too close. We gotta build a lot of iron pipes. We gotta build a lot of iron pipes per minute. Constructor is the device to do it. Iron pipe. Puts in, I need to put in 100 a minute and I get out 25 per minute. Is that the right? Yep. So I need 3 of those. 2 and there we go. 3 constructors. All of them set to do iron pipes. Let us build our splitters. Okay, it will take from there. There. And there. Okay. We need Mark IV belts still. But only Mark. Let's go Mark IIIs. Just okay. I need power. Please tell me I've got power. I need to prep for the next step. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. Time for mergers. Come on. 3. Okay, these are only outputting 75 pipes per minute, so I can get away with Mark II belts for this stuff. Okay. And okay, that should be good. Okay, let's finish. Let's go do the next part we have to do. We have to get my feed from up here. No, I don't want conveyor. There we go. Okay. And then we'll get the conveyor belt up here. Do I need to... Okay. I need to do some deforestation here. Okay. Oh, I can't. Because I don't have any more boomers. Okay, well, fine. Do that. Fine, be that way. See if I care. I'm gonna run to here. And then let's boost that up. Oh, not 9, 8. That looks about right. Okay. And here we go. We've got both of them feeding in now. Okay. Now for the rotors. We need to build how many? Looks like 3 constructors. Or sorry, assemblers. Okay. Go 1. Reinforced iron plates. Oh, I need to go get some more. Oh yes, and that right there is the beginnings of my train system. I've got a long ways to go there. But I need to build it. Wait, is this... Oh, crap. Oh, Mr. Bean? That's Mr. Bean. He's a bouncy boy. Oh. Okay. 33 plates. I'm glad I can steal stuff from this factory. It's just kind of I use it to build things. I do have a small motor plant there. Okay, let me get back. I really messed up my stream and forgot to update that stuff. And that big boy is one of the few things that does not actually try to kill you in this world. Come on, there we go, made it up. Okay, 3. Okay, we are building straighters here. I forgot about that. I still have the straighters to build. Then I can build the motors. C, B, B. Okay. Yeah, now here, where I built my wire. No, we'll just build it all the way down there. Now we need to... Oh crap, I screwed that up, didn't I? Logistics, conveyor mark 1. There we go. I thought There we go. There we go. This is building. This is building wire. We want it to be Mark III belts, though. Okay, right about... Yeah, we'll go right about there. Okay. What we're going to do is airlift Mark IIIs. Okay. Now, splitters. Splitters, we want splitter to do that, splitter to do that, splitter to do that. Mark III belts go in. Now, you saw where I left this wire. Too steep. Oh, okay, I can survive with that. Nope. Okay. There we go. Wires going in. Okay. Now we do the second half of this, which is building all these splitters. Okay, and Mark II belts. And now we've got the straighters being produced. Why is the wire not coming in? Where did I mess up? Okay. Okay, splitter. Okay. Oh, there it goes. And there it goes. Everything's in there. Straighters are being made. So, now we gotta build the assemblers. Okay, yep, 3 constructors to make the enough straighters. Now I need yep, there it goes. Everything's producing. Hold on 2 seconds. There we go. Oh. Sorry about the noises. There we go. Okay, now I've got to make another set of foundations just to give enough distance. Okay. Okay. Pipes are going in just fine. Yep, everything's being produced just fine now. Why is this not getting any? Oh, yeah, it would work better if I had everything hooked up right. There. Okay. Got that. Now, build 3 more. And I don't have enough rotors. Well, that's an easy problem to solve, because look what I've got sitting on this belt. Rotors. So now I can finish building this last assembly. Okay. What's nice is I can get away with Mark 1s for this section. Okay. Then we need to build splitters again. And as I said, Mark 1 belts can work for this section. Okay. And honestly, I don't... I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways. Yeah. Actually, to be honest, I better go ahead and do it the other direction. Two and 3. Now we want splitters again. Yeah, I built things a little too close together. There we go. All that. Oh. Yep. All that's going into now make motors, which I haven't configured yet. V and V. Now the second part, I just have to get actually, what I want to do is build a lift. There we go. And now I have my 20 Now I have my factory built. It is now producing enough rotors. Actually, it's producing half the amount of motors I thought I was going to produce. One day I need the math better. Out of iron plates, I'm not going to worry about that. Oh. I need to speed that up dramatically. Okay. Oh, power. I don't got the power. Now we got the power. Okay. And that is my motor factory. I'm going to build it out just one step further though. So I really need that pull somewhere else. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and build out just one more of these. Oh. Works better if I build it in the right direction, doesn't it? Oh. There, we'll just do it that way. There we go. I should be outputting 20 per. And oh, I'm still out iron plates. That's gonna stop things. Okay. There we go. Oh, looks better if I have it set, doesn't it? Yep, there we go. There we go. Okay, there's my production. I'll make it a little bit nicer later. Unfortunately, my next project is a little bit bigger. It's going to be a little bit bigger and take a little bit longer to do. And that is get my train station, get all this train stuff done, and importing rubber in. So I can build the next thing on the phase. Okay, so there we go. That is... Oh yeah, I forgot, I have no iron plates. So let's go grab some. Come on, there we go. The quick, easy route to get from point A to point B. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I need to make more nobelisks. Because I need to make things go boom. Build about 10, 15 of them. There we go. That should be enough. Okay, here, this little factory. Let's steal a couple hundred regular iron plates. What else are we running low on? Oh, I'm running low on fuel, so I'll need to go get some. Everything else I look good on. And that... And that actually finishes up what I was planning on working on tonight. It took a little bit less time than I was expecting. 3, 2, 1, jump. Okay. There we go. That pole's going away. We'll pull out to here. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Everything's plugged in. Now, let's build some more mergers so we can merge this all into one belt. I think temporarily I'm going to store it. Okay, and this can all be conveyor belt Mark 1 because this is not going that fast. Okay, there we go. We're going to build there. Bench. Then we will build organization. Just a regular storage. There we go. This will fill up with motors now. Now the fun part. Well, starting the train stuff. Okay. Yes, this is going to be a long, long rail line. Very long rail line. Yeah, that's a long way down, and it will kill me. Yes, if you're wondering. This is where I'm starting, and here's where my oil production is, up here in this little area. And that's where I'm heading towards right now. Did I grab the drive off of this? Yes, I have. Oh, still some stuff here to grab. Okay. Yeah. Yep, you're seeing how far I have to go. And I have to go far. Far, far away. Yes, this is the boring parts that you normally wouldn't do on stream. Okay, I need to stop, I think, right about here. And then here. Nope. Here. Nope. Here. Yep. Okay. Okay. back up to... No. No. I think... Okay, I think I got it. This will be easier once I get at least one line up and running, because then I can do this. I can have a train carrying stuff. How much further do I have to go? Because I know I didn't get all this. Yep, I did not get all this built out. Oop. Almost see some of my plant. You can almost see some of my stuff in the distance. Well, there you go. You can actually see one of my major power poles. Okay, I'm going to need to... We'll go one more. Oh, we're out of concrete. Oh, that sucks. But here's my oil production plant. Right over here. And this is the plant that I have built to produce plastics and rubber and a little bit of fuel. I've only got one fuel plant running right now. Why is it not generating? Oh, let's grab 100 fuel. Let me guess, this is full. There, it's not full anymore. It can start producing again. Crap, I need to build a quick... I need to build a quick dump place for this. Let's build just a quick container. Don't tell me I'm out of... No, I'm not. A merger. 3. And now all that's going to get dumped into there, which is the sink, which gets me coupons for the coupon factory. Let's see, is there... So all that's dealt with. This plant's back up and running. I keep forgetting how loud those things are. That's some nice numbers. Max consumption's still a little high, but I can live with that. Just due to the fact that all I have to do is build some more of these guys. Which I don't have any concrete, so I can't. Okay. Since we're not concrete, I have to head back to the main base. We're going to take the shortcut. But getting a lot further along here. Oh, we will be passing by my coal plant, which is the majority of my power production. Yeah, big power poles going through the middle of the base, middle of the map. Boing. Boing. And then continue on back down. I've already gotten the drive out of that one. And here comes my coal and steel production plant. This is my coal plant. Produces the majority of my power. There's my little encased steel beams and steel beam plant. Wait, actually, I'm running a little low on steel beam, encased steel beams, and just plain steel beams. There we go, that's done. Am I going? Oh, nope. No, I am not going to make that. Oof. Come on. Grab. Thank you. Okay. And there's the motor factory I just built. There's the rotor section. And then there's the stator section and the actual production, and the actual motor production. I'm going to steal some pipes because I can, because I have more producing than I need. What's eventually going to happen is that's going to go heading off that way on the map to get other resources that I need. Because I've got quartz here that I need to start exploiting better than I am now. And then there's some oil over here. There's lots of resources that I can start exploiting when I get a chance. Oh. Boingy. Oh shit. That hurt. Okay. Actually, what I should start doing down here is building the train stations here, but I just don't feel like it right now. Okay, let's go finish. Let's try getting those tracks finished off. No. Oh yeah. Here. Let's make some. Oh, I need to go grab that slug.
Harvest the scripture.
Oh,
Compose it
that's
into
not a
a
slug.
blood song.
That's something completely different. Oh, did I make you go boom? That's something else I need to grab. Let's grab it. Oh, no speech this time. But yes, those things go boom and can delete trees and such, which is nice. I can't wait till I get the first train stuffs done. Come on. And I run so far. Okay. More stuff being built. Yeah, I went back to go get something, didn't I? And apparently I did not grab it. Well, I think that is the sign from the universe saying it is time for me to call it a night. So I'm just going to get myself back to home base and go from there. I think next time I'm just going to take this route going back, because it is much faster. Yeah. I think next time I think off stream I will finish rebuilding the, I'll finish building out the rail stuff, so that next stream we can focus on not quite so boring things, like actually riding the choo-choo. Because what I'm eventually going to do is get a choo-choo train running pretty much around the map with junctions and various places to stop. There we are. There, 1,500. That should be enough concrete to get me by. And then I want to dump some stuff off, because I don't really need to be carrying around some of this stuff that I've got. It's kind of valuable. Okay, I like that Mercer sphere. I don't want to have to spend time getting back to it. But we can dump that too. What else? Yeah, I'm going to dump those, just to be on the safe side. And I don't really need anything else that I have here, do I? Oh, actually what I've got I need. So, okay, I got the concrete. Yeah, I think I'll do the train building. Maybe I'll go. Yes, this is my backup power supply that takes leaves and wood, turns them into biomass, and then I have that being turned into solid biomass, which is useful for some things, which then gets in turn thrown into these biomass burners. This used to be my primary power source until I did the coal. And what's nice is these guys do nothing until they need power on demand. Not a thing. Okay. Now, problem is, I did not plan this area out that well, apparently. Grab some more nuts. Nuts are good for you. Yeah. Let's dig that way. Zoom that way. Oh. And the problem with these guys, they keep getting in the way. Yeah, go run. Okay. Now I'm going to build the train station over here. Okay, remember, this is going up, this is going to, this is coming from. So this line will come in. Do we have what we need to build the train station? Okay, we're going to need... Of course I don't have what I need. But I've got plenty of it hanging out over here. And if I really need... And I've got plenty of places to get motors. I've also got some plastic sitting by to be used. Oh, plastic's not in there. Plastic is in here. Oh, and I've got some motors in there too. Probably not enough, but I've got another container with motors to use. And then we will go back to where... And that is my 4 smart plate per minute factory, which is not producing right now because I don't need anything right now for it. Okay, I'm going to try... Okay, I need... to... But... Okay. What I'm going to do is build... I'll build a kind of a comeback spot. Okay. Okay, let's build the railway station. And now we need to build 2 freight platforms. Now we need to hook up that to there, but that won't work. Okay. One freight platform then. Okay. Yep, no power. Oh. Let's build. Oh, we don't have any rubber. We do have rubber. We just need to go grab some. We're gonna have to rebuild that station. I do not like where I really messed up on sizes for that. Really badly messed up sizes for that. Grab a stack of rubber. That's rubber, not rubbers. So get your mind out of the gutter. Okay. There we go. Choo choo. There you go. That's the train. Can suck down a lot of power. Okay. Okay. Now, what we're going to build is a freight car. do is configure the freight car to unload. Other thing I could do is I can actually just tell this thing to load. And what will happen is what's going to end up happening is I'm going to be rebuilding this, no doubt. I think I'm going to just keep it up higher, so that way I'm going to delete this downward slope section and just turn it into a straight section. And at some point I really want to make it actually look decent instead of just floating in midair. Now, yes, I did grab concrete. How am I doing on iron plates? I am not doing great on iron plates. Okay. Let's grab another. Because I want to finish building out this stuff. I need more iron plates, which means I need to go to where I make them and pick up another. Let's pick up another 400. Let's get 600. There we go. Oh yes, and you saw that sink. Here's what you can buy. You can buy things. You can buy music. You can buy statues. You can buy mounts, and oh yeah, I should buy those at some point. Let's just add that to the cart. Signs, lights. Lights are powerful. Paint finishes. Different types of foundations, which I've bought a bunch of already. Walls, which I have bought a bunch already. Architecture, which I've bought a few bits and pieces here and there. Make a base look like a base. Oh yes. And stuff that I can actually produce except for the coffee cup. You know, let's get the coffee cup out. Okay. Nice cup of coffee while looking at my base doing everything it's doing. Okay, let's put the detector back. There is nothing else I need to get right now. Actually, there is one thing I should build. What am I missing? Fabric. I think I got fabric around here. Well, I can make fabric. Oh, I need biomass. Which, guess what I can get a hold of easily? There we go. I got biomass. Let's make some fabric so I can make the gas mask. Because that would be a good idea to have. Because eventually I gotta go into some dangerous areas. But generally I go with boomers. Those things that go boom, I need 50 fabric. I really should probably do some mass production there, but I'm just too lazy to make that happen. lot of biomass production, which is nice. At some point I need to go get some more. Okay. Put that on my head. I do not like the... Oh yeah. We we'll need more fabric to make filters. I do not feel like making filters. No, we'll go make some more fabric. It'd be a good idea to have filters. There, 20. How many filters can I make? 10. Okay. There we go. But we are going to take the gas mask off because... And honestly, I don't want to carry it around right now. Once I start doing things that really need a gas mask, I will get that. What were we needing to finish? Oh yeah, we know what we need there. Ports. Lots of stuff I don't have ability to make yet. Nope. Nope. Okay. No more research there. Criterium. I haven't gotten anywhere near there yet. Geothermal, yeah, I could do that. And programmable spreader, I need computers, which I don't have the ability to make yet. Okay. Okay, I got all the biomass. I got all that done. Okay, I think this is as good a time as any to call it a night with the stream. I'm going to do the rest of the work off stream, so that way you don't have to do. That way you don't get bored watching all that crap. Okay, well. Good night, everybody, and I will see you guys. Let's see. Oh, yep. Saturday at 7 when I am playing Stellaris for a couple hours, and hopefully I can get those systems back that I lost. Good night, everybody, and be safe.